Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for the love and the support. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. In today's video, I will be showing you how to purchase and use this essential oil diffuser. Without any further delay, let's get right into the video. Firstly, this video is not sponsored, but this is a quick guide to help you purchase this diffuser on Amazon. All you need to do is type in the name, click on the product, and you will see all the information about this product. The product is for $21.99. It comes in two colors, the log color and the coffee color, so you can purchase whichever you want. This section is the air intake section. Make sure that when you're pouring the water out, you don't pour it on this side, pour it on the other side because you don't want to risk any water being trapped in there. As you can see, it comes with a bottom section where you pour the water in, a top section to cover the bottom section, an adapter, or you may call it a plug, and it comes with a remote. If you look closely on the remote, you will see a few buttons that will help you to control the diffuser. It's pretty simple and straightforward, so there is no explanation needed. On the bottom section of the diffuser, you will see that it has a 1 hour period, a 3 hours period, and a 6 hour period. It also have two buttons below that says lights and mist. So if you don't want to use the remote to control this, you can also use the two bottom buttons. The top section is decorated the same way all around. If you flip the bottom section over, you will see three rubbery feet that will keep your diffuser firm. So in other words, if you place it on the table, it will not be able to slide off easily. You will also see a section to attach your cord in. Once you have attached it there, turn it over and plug the cord into a socket. Now that we've seen enough of how the diffuser looks, we're going to move on to the essential oil. You can use any essential oil of your type. I also bought these on Amazon. It comes with 6 different scents, so you can definitely check these out. The next step is to pour some water in the bottom section of the diffuser. If you look closely, you will see that there's a section that you should not pass when you are pouring in the water. Now that you've added enough water, the next step is to add your essential oils. You can use the scents that you like. You can also use 1, 2, or 3 different types of essential oil depending on how strong you want the scent in the air to be. For this tutorial, I will be using 2 essential oils, the lavender and the lemongrass. All you need to do is add a few drops of essential oils from each and use the top section to cover the diffuser. Now that it is covered, all you need to do is turn it on. And remember, you can turn it on for up to 1, 3, or 6 hours. It depends on how long you want it to be on for. Once it's turned on, you will see the fresh air coming from it, and you will be able to smell the goodness that is coming from this diffuser. In order to move from 1 hour to 3 hours or 6 hours, you can use the timing button on the remote. The next thing you can do is to turn on the lights. You can leave it to change color, or you can also use the light button on the remote to change the colors. It's really up to you. You can either leave the lights on or you can turn it off. The diffuser will work the same even if the lights are off. At this point, you will see how the lights work and how the diffuser works, and I will be listing a few benefits of this diffuser. Benefits of essential oil diffusers. It encourages better sleep. It helps you to relax. It improves clarity and focus. It can ease aching joints. It helps clear airways for easier breathing. It supports a healthy digestive system. And it promotes feelings of calm. These essential oil diffusers have a lot more benefits. If you want to find out more about these, you can simply do your own research. And if you have any more benefits in mind that I haven't listed in this video, you can comment it down below. I've been using this diffuser for a few months now and it's still going strong, so you can definitely add this to your cart. This wraps it up for this tutorial. As always, I hope you have learned something new, like how to use this diffuser or how to purchase it and the benefits of this diffuser. Thank you guys so much for always tuning in. You guys are super amazing. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Again, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Until next time, bye!